Another question we also get from customers is it hard to use a Laurastar? No, it's not. After a short period of adjustment, which will be a couple of uses, you will become an expert, an ironing expert. And we're there to support you the whole way. We've got your tutorials online. You've got to look at my face and watch all those videos. You can even come into store. It's always great to come into store. If you've purchased online and you want to come into store, that's also permitted. Some people think you can't do that. Of course you can. Purchase online, you can come into store after you've used it for a couple of weeks and get some training in store. But let me go through each of the machines. I keep calling them machines because I say ironing machine is like a washing machine and a drying machine. This is not a common iron. That's why I keep referring to them as machines. So to iron with a lift Xtra and a lift, you will find it's quite simple to make the adjustment. The reason being is you have a static board. So you're using a regular board. Either you're using a Laurastar board or you're using your own. But important, let's talk about boards while we're there, John. So if you're using a non-Laurastar board, most importantly, you have a cotton foam cover like this. So cotton foam, and the reason cotton foam, because it allows the steam to pass through, and a mesh base. Come in close, John. Mesh base, can you see that? So you've got a mesh base to allow the steam to pass through, and you've got a cotton foam cover. Do not use reflective covers with a steam station. Laurastar or any other brand for that matter, because the steam won't pass through. So what will happen is the steam will bounce. So think of it as bouncing back. So if you've got a reflective cover, those plastic ones or metallic style covers, which you can get from other stores, the steam will bounce back and then it won't do the job. Laurastar steam stations require the steam to pass through. I don't know if you can see that underneath. You can see the steam under there? So the steam has to pass through the garment and the board, the cover, to be able to be effective, of course. So when you're ironing with a lift Xtra or a lift, okay, there's a video about the differences between those, okay? You can check that out. This is what we call a static board. There's no fan, there's no active board, okay, like our ironing systems. We'll come to that shortly. So when you're ironing on a static board, you put the garment on the board however you prefer, okay? So lay the garment out how you're used to. Let's take an example, the shirt, okay? So it's quite easy, lay it out, and then the only technique you have to change is don't steam everywhere when you're using a Laurastar. We recommend up with steam, back dry. Up with steam, back dry. And just use steam to remove the creases and then the hot iron to set the fibre. So what change do you need to make when you've got a lift Xtra or a lift? Not much. Small adjustment. Lay the garment on the board how you prefer. Your own board, a Laurastar board is better if you can get one of those too. But the only thing you have to change is don't steam everywhere. Okay, no need to push. I'm going to save you some elbow grease. I'm going to save you your shoulder because you don't need to do the pushing and shoving. The steam does all the work for you. Up with steam, back dry. Up with steam, back dry. And the reason for that is the steam relaxes the fibre. The hot iron sets the material. Okay, so that's how you iron with a Laurastar lift Xtra or a lift. Up with steam, back dry. So there's no real change. So this is why you will find the changeover from a common iron. Where is that common iron, by the way? There. From a common iron which drips water, scorches your clothes, to a Laurastar lift Xtra or lift, you will find the transition quite quick and easy. What about our Easy Plus garment steamer or hygienic steamer? It's going to be quick and it's going to be easy to learn. It's not going to require a lot of change. So a couple of tips we're going to give you here. So easy to learn, easy to use. When you're steaming the garment, do a couple of bursts of steam away from the garment to get rid of any moisture that may be inside. That applies to all Laurastars because you've got hot steam hitting a cold pipe. So if you get a few droplets of water at the start, that's normal. Don't worry about it, okay? Get rid of it and you're ready to steam. Now, hold the garment. This is the trick. Doing this won't remove the creases, okay? This is what you need to do. Hold the garment tight, put your protective glove on, and here we go. I'm only going to do half, John, just to show you how quick and easy it is. Look at that. All right. So unlike some of the other steamers on the market, you have to go really, really slow. No problem with the Easy Plus because of the high pressure steam. Just make sure you're holding the garment and you are touching it. Okay. Doing it from a distance isn't going to work. All right, and remember, this is not just a garment steamer, this is also a hygienic steamer. Kill bacteria around your home, soft furnishings, bedding, your curtains, pillows, cushions, pet beds, anything you want to kill bacteria on. Easy Plus is the way to go.